Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best CarPlay screen is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your daily commute, offering a seamless integration of your digital life with your driving experience, turning mundane journeys into connected adventures and providing instant access to navigation, music, and communication tools right at your fingertips, all while keeping your eyes safely on the road. Number 5. PASLDA 7 HD Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Screen. Experience the latest in wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Effortlessly access navigation, calls, messages, and music for a smarter, safer drive. Installation is a breeze with our versatile mount, fitting seamlessly into any car, RV, or truck. Enjoy enhanced features regardless of your vehicle. Immerse yourself in superior sound with Bluetooth connectivity to your car speakers. Enjoy flexible audio options for your favorite music and content. Sync your smartphone with Mirror Link to enjoy your favorite video apps like YouTube and TikTok directly on the screen. Entertainment on the go has never been easier. Navigate with ease on the vibrant 7-inch HD touchscreen. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable hands-free calls and audio streaming for a connected experience. Reverse with confidence thanks to the included HD backup camera. It automatically displays a clear image on the screen, making parking safer, even at night. We are committed to your satisfaction with lifetime warranty and dedicated tech support. Drive smarter and safer with our reliable assistance. What we like. This unit offers the latest wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, making it incredibly convenient to use your phone's features hands-free. If you have an older car and want a modern, easy-to-install upgrade with the added safety of a backup camera, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Installation was incredibly easy. No complicated wiring, no stress. Within minutes, it was up and running in my car. The screen is noticeably bigger than my original built-in display, and that alone completely upgraded the look and feel of my dashboard. Apple CarPlay runs perfectly, responsive, clear, and super intuitive. The navigation feature has been a game changer for me. Number 4. Topexplore 9-foot Wireless CarPlay Screen. Experience the convenience of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It connects effortlessly to your iPhone or Android phone, allowing for hands-free calls, music, and navigation with simple voice commands for safer driving. Instantly upgrade your car's infotainment system. Just connect your phone to access real-time GPS navigation with live traffic updates, bringing smarter routes and safer driving to your vehicle. Enjoy an immersive audio experience with 4 output options, Bluetooth, AUX, FM, and built-in speakers. This ensures compatibility and great sound quality, no matter your car model or driving situation. This 9-inch HD portable screen brings entertainment to your car. With screen mirroring for both iOS and Android, you can turn your car into a temporary theater, adding more fun to your journeys. Our upgraded suction cup mount features a strong grip with a sticky nano gel bottom and a free smooth base. It holds the screen steady even on bumpy roads, ensuring a stable view for worry-free driving. We provide lifetime technical support and service, including a 30-day refund and a 1-year warranty. It's also an ideal gift for any occasion. What we like. Looking to give your classic car a significant tech boost? This 9-inch screen offers a larger, more immersive display and an exceptionally stable mount for bumpy rides. If you prioritize a modern infotainment experience and a secure, wobble-free view, this is the one to consider. What people say. The screen splits, which makes things much easier while driving, plus, I can use it with Siri. The Bluetooth connection is quick and easy, the size is ideal, and the touchscreen is highly responsive. Setup took about 15 minutes, mostly deciding on placement, and it connected to my phone within minutes. It now connects automatically within seconds of starting my car. The audio from the device itself is decent, but I learned I can stay connected to the CarPlay unit while using Bluetooth from my car's speakers, so everything still runs through my car audio while being controlled through the screen. So far, there's been zero lag, and it has been a fantastic upgrade for my car. Installation was very easy, basically plug and play. It connected to my iPhone wirelessly within seconds, and the Bluetooth works perfectly for calls and music. The screen is large, responsive, and easy to use. I love that I can use Maps, Spotify, and make hands-free calls without touching my phone. The image quality is good, and the sound comes through clearly when connected to my car. Number 3. BuonaIdea Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Touchscreen. Experience the convenience of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Simply connect your smartphone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for effortless access to navigation, music, and calls, all controlled by your voice. Enjoy a stunning 7-inch HD touchscreen with a 1024 by 600 resolution. Mirror your phone's screen to watch videos, use GPS, and access your favorite apps on a larger, clearer display. This device is designed to enhance any car, truck, or RV with its 12V, 24V compatibility. Its adjustable mount ensures a secure and easy installation on your dashboard. Navigate with confidence thanks to the included backup camera. It automatically displays on the screen when you shift into reverse, providing a clear view of what's behind you. Choose how you listen. Connect via Bluetooth for calls and music, use the built-in speakers, or transmit audio through your car's AUX or FM radio for a personalized sound experience. Access more features with support for U-discs, SD cards, and external microphones. Enjoy customizable settings and a user-friendly interface for a truly enhanced driving experience. What we like. This option provides seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, making it incredibly easy to add smart features to any vehicle. If you're looking for a straightforward, plug-and-play solution that enhances navigation and entertainment without complex setup, especially with the included backup camera, this is a great pick. What people say. The wireless Apple CarPlay connection is super convenient, it connects quickly and reliably most of the time, which makes getting in the car and driving off so much easier without plugging in my phone. The screen is clear and responsive, and apps like Maps, Music, and Messages work smoothly. Installation was fairly straightforward, especially if you're comfortable with basic car audio setups. Number 2. 8.1 HD Portable CarPlay Screen with Dash Cam. Experience the convenience of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Easily access navigation, calls, and music, all while keeping your hands on the wheel thanks to voice control. This device features a 4K dash cam for continuous recording and a 1080p backup camera. It makes parking safer by automatically displaying the rear view when you reverse. Navigate your routes with ease on the vibrant 8.1-inch HD touchscreen. Enjoy real-time GPS from your favorite apps with enhanced clarity and detail. Enjoy your audio just the way you like it. Choose from Bluetooth, the built-in speaker, FM radio, or AUX for a superior sound experience. Stay connected and entertained by mirroring your phone screen. Stream videos from popular apps like YouTube and TikTok directly to the display. What we like. For the ultimate in-car safety and convenience, this unit stands out with its integrated 4K dash cam and 1080p backup camera. If you value comprehensive recording capabilities and a large, clear display for navigation and rear view, this is the ideal choice for peace of mind on every drive. What people say. This is a great size for my car, not too big like some of the others. And I also appreciate the 2 ways to mount. I didn't want to stick something on my dashboard, but the suction cup mount was excellent. I also like the combination screen and dash cam, what seems to be a standard in most of these offerings, and is well implemented here. The Torrensol CarPlay was easy setup though the instructions are a little vague. What is set up is looking and working great, just need follow-up on Wi-Fi directions to make it complete. It really looks great, picture is perfect, cords could be a little longer for a cleaner hidden look. So far it's definitely a keeper. It was a breeze to set up. I did set up the rear view camera to work when I put my car in reverse. This took a little work, as expected, but it works perfectly. The screen size is ideal even with my high dashboard, I can see right over it. Not a distraction. They responded quickly and answered all my concerns. Number 1. CARPURIDE 9-inch CarPlay screen. Experience the best of both worlds with our portable car screen. It seamlessly connects to your smartphone, bringing your favorite apps and features right to your dashboard for a smarter drive. Effortlessly sync your phone to the big screen. Mirror your apps, games, and videos in real time, whether you prefer a wireless connection or a simple wired setup. Never lose your way again. Get real-time GPS navigation with crystal-clear map views, using your preferred navigation apps directly on the expansive HD display. Enjoy your music and calls through your car's speakers with enhanced Bluetooth audio. It also offers multiple connection options like AUX, USB, and FM transmission for ultimate flexibility. Stay focused on the road with smart voice control. Use Siri or Google Assistant to manage music, calls, and more, all with simple voice commands. Immerse yourself in a stunning 9-inch HD display with an anti-glare finish for clear, responsive touch. Plus, fine-tune your audio with built-in EQ for an enhanced listening experience. Drive comfortably with intelligent brightness adjustment. It automatically adapts to lighting conditions, dimming in tunnels and brightening in daylight to protect your eyes. What we like. This screen is designed for optimal viewing comfort with its anti-glare finish and automatic brightness adjustment, perfect for varying light conditions. If you're a music enthusiast who appreciates fine-tuned audio with its built-in EQ and wants a display that's easy on the eyes, this is the premium option for you. What people say. The screen is bright and clear, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight. Installation was a breeze, taking less than 10 minutes to get it up and running. Apple CarPlay connects seamlessly and stays connected without any dropouts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.